the 4 pegs, slide the table together. Slid together. Now we're going to put these braces on. These 3 holes and these 3 holes. They go in easily, this bolt and this washer. And as you start them, they don't have far to go. So we're not going to have much to use the Allen wrench. You see there's an embedded nut inside the wood for these support rails to go into. The 4 legs go in the same way with a shorter screw. Be careful you don't strip them out. Little brace to attach to the sides of each of the table tops. And the last step is to attach these 4 like balancing screw heads. There, set up. You got that brown and taupe and black leg, which matches our chairs. Black and taupe. Lots of room. You can see the top on MDF. It's hard to tell because there's quite a bit of variation where it looks like there's little cracks. It's non-standard, but I guess that's okay. I don't know what these marks are. It's sanding, grinding, or that's just the way it's made. But it does say if you get stains on here like ink or whatever, to wipe it off with a professional cleaner or a rag with some rubbing alcohol gently. They don't want you to keep this in a damp place. This is on our patio underneath a roof in Texas, so it's pretty much dry most of the time. And they don't want you to continually wipe this down with a wet rag. I believe you have to treat it like MDF, but it is very well made. Yeah, it'll do good for us out here.